Well, hello YouTube. As you know, if you've watched our previous videos, I purchased a 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. And as I was driving down Summerhill Road, this happened. As you can see here, hopefully you can see, it's kind of hard to get without the light. There's a rock chip right there, and it's cracked all the way down there. And then it comes to the other side up here, and it's going all the way up to about right there. So all the way down to the rubber down here. Pretty big crack. So I'm getting that replaced today. They are using a Mopar replacement glass, just like the one that come out. So it'll have the little Jeep on it, and it should have the Mopar seal of approval. I don't know if y'all see any of this. And of course this is wiper defrost. So yeah, new glass, gonna cost me my deductible. And what's funny is after my wife bought her car, she may had it a couple weeks or so, same thing. She had a rock hit her window and we had to get it fixed, but luckily hers could be fixed. And you know, this one here, they said they couldn't fix it, and it's still up in debate. May end up having to have the thing recalibrated because of the technology that's involved with the camera and stuff. So we'll find out later today if it's going to have to be recalibrated. A lot of people are telling me that it has to be, so we'll see. But yeah, that's our experience with this. We're going to drop it off at the shop here in a little bit, and then we'll follow up with what all it looks like when they're done. And here's the outside of the glass. Hard to tell with the glare on it, but it looks like new. Done killed a bug. Okay, I am back from Dr. Glass, and they did a real good job. Glass looks real good. Everything's nice and clean, and there wasn't a bunch of what do you call it, the stuff they stick the window down with all over the place. I've had one done in the past, and when I got home I realized there's this tar stuff all over everything. So they did a real good job. I'm really happy with what they did. We did not have to get it recalibrated. Like I said, they did use the Mopar glass. It has the little Easter egg on it. It's got the defrost stuff on it. Well, I'm going to show you the bill. And boy, I'm glad I have insurance. Let me flip the camera around. You can see the glass there. There's Mopar information over there, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the yellow, there's the defrost stuff, and the little Jeep Easter egg is right there. Dash is nice and clean. And here's the bill. This is all that's in the windshield. Green tint, molding attached, camera mount, solar, visor, fret, whatever that is, heated wiper park, humidity sensor, rain sensor, LDWS, and the Willys logo, and adhesive. And you can come over here, that window, we've got a 2466.16, 165.30 in labor. That leaves $2,631.46. And then this other, the adhesive and stuff, you know, adds a little bit more. But that windshield alone, $2,466. So you definitely want to keep your insurance up on these things, because that is not a cheap window. But like I said, the glass doctor did a real good job. They took care of me, and I recommend, if you have any windshield problems, rock chips, or anything like that, go to them. And they did give me a year warranty, to where if I get a rock chip, they'll fix it for free, and one free glass replacement if something happens to this one. And I think I just paid the labor. So you know, that's got us taken care of for a year, and hopefully it stays like it is from now on. So we'll see. But this is our little adventure with the rock cracking our window. The crack is gone, new window's in, and boy is it expensive. Y'all have a good day.